assignment for the Paul McWhorter Vpython course. This is the homework for lesson 16, and what we're to do is create an analog clock set with the correct time, which the correct time here would be the Pacific time, LA time, United States, and for it to keep accurate time. So going through the program real quick, getting initially the clock information, converting the 24-hour clock to 12-hour clock, and then taking that information and initially setting the clock parameters so that the clock is showing the correct time. Here's the clock hand parameters showing the size of the hands. Actually, up here is the clock face parameters, clock hand parameters. Right here is where the initial time is set after we read the computer clock. The second hand angle, minute hand angle, and hour hand angle. These are the parameters for the center hub and the clock hands. Here's the loop, and rather than setting it for so many loops per second or frames per second, loops per second, this is actually being controlled by reading the computer clock, and every time it loops around and reads the computer clock, it comes and sets the hour hand, the minute hand, and the second hand according to that reading. Anyway, that's all I've got. You're welcome to look at the code as I step through it here real quick. Again. And I'll run it. And as you can see, it's showing almost 8:15 in the evening. And then I've got a little label there that says U.S. Pacific Coast Time, LA. Thank you.